Welcome to the top best. The best Mityvac MV8500 is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any mechanic or DIY enthusiast looking to tackle a wide range of automotive tasks with precision and ease, from brake bleeding to diagnosing vacuum-related issues, making it a standout choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 5. Mityvac MV8500 Hydraulic Brake and Clutch Bleeding System. Introducing the Mityvac MV8500, a comprehensive pressure bleeding tool designed for high-capacity brake fluid service. It's compatible with a wide variety of hydraulic brake and clutch systems. This system includes 7 interchangeable master cylinder adapters. This ensures a seamless connection across a wide range of vehicles, including cars, SUVs, and motorcycles. Featuring quick change connectors and a pressure relief valve, setup and fluid exchange are made simple. You can count on consistent pressure and safe operation during brake bleeding. It comes with a heavy-duty storage case for easy transport and organized storage. This makes it an ideal tool for both mobile mechanics and professional workshops. Designed for professional-grade performance, it works with hydraulic systems, brake calipers, master cylinders, and clutches. Ensure reliable maintenance for spongy pedals and worn brakes. What we like. This is a comprehensive pressure bleeding tool designed for high-capacity brake fluid service. If you're looking for a system that can handle a wide range of vehicles and ensure seamless connections, this is a great choice. Its quick change connectors and pressure relief valve makes setup and fluid exchange simple and safe. What people say. The Mityvac MV8500 is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of automotive tasks, including brake bleeding, clutch bleeding, and vacuum testing. It comes with a comprehensive set of accessories, including adapters, hoses, and a storage case, making it a convenient all-in-one solution. The tool is well built and durable, with a sturdy construction that ensures long-lasting performance. Number 4. Mityvac MV8500 Selectline Brake Bleeder. This tool offers both vacuum and pressure capabilities, making it perfect for bleeding brake and clutch systems with precision and ease. Constructed from molded PVC, it's built to last. It resists chemicals and corrosion, ensuring reliable performance in tough conditions. Its ergonomic design allows for easy, one-person operation. This makes it ideal for anyone working on vehicles, from professionals to DIY enthusiasts. Maintenance is simple thanks to its field-serviceable design. You can easily repair and maintain it for consistent performance on all your bleeding tasks. This vacuum and pressure pump is a versatile tool for various automotive systems. It's compatible with cars, trucks, motorcycles, and more for both maintenance and repairs. What we like. This hand pump offers both vacuum and pressure applications for precise bleeding. If you're a professional or DIY mechanic who needs a reliable, easy-to-use tool for single-person operation, this is ideal. Its durable, non-corrosive PVC construction ensures long-lasting performance even in harsh environments. What people say. The Mityvac MV8500 is a great tool for automotive brake bleeding. It comes with all the necessary accessories to get the job done. The vacuum pump is powerful and easy to use. Number 3. Mityvac MV8500 Pneumatic Brake and Clutch Bleeder. Introducing the Mityvac MV8500, your solution for fast and efficient brake and clutch bleeding. Its powerful pneumatic vacuum system is perfect for professional automotive and motorcycle repairs. Achieve precise control with its isolated flow system and switch valve. This ensures air-free fluid replacement for optimal braking performance every time. The generous 2-quart fluid reservoir collects ample fluid during bleeding. This means fewer interruptions and more efficient service for cars, trucks, and motorcycles. Keep fluid levels topped up effortlessly with the included master cylinder refill system. This vital feature prevents air from entering your brake or clutch systems. Built for professional use, it's compatible with a wide range of vehicles. This tool is an essential addition for any repair shop or DIY mechanic. What we like. This is an efficient pneumatic bleeding system designed for fast and precise brake and clutch bleeding. If you're in a professional automotive or motorcycle repair shop and need to ensure air-free fluid replacement for optimal braking performance, this tool is essential. Its isolated flow control allows for precise fluid management. What people say. The Mityvac MV8500 is a great tool for bleeding brakes. It makes the job much easier and faster. This vacuum bleeder is very well made and durable. It comes with all the necessary adapters and hoses. I was able to bleed my brakes by myself with this tool. It saved me a lot of time and frustration. Number 2. Mityvac MV7840 Hydraulic Brake and Clutch Bleeding Kit. Introducing the Mityvac MV7840, your professional-grade solution for hydraulic brake and clutch systems. It offers powerful, air-operated pressure bleeding, perfect for maintenance and repair on a wide range of vehicles. This bleeding kit features a large 2.5-quart fluid reservoir. This allows for extended operation without frequent refills, making it ideal for servicing multiple vehicles or larger brake systems. The included MV8500 flexible hose comes with an integrated control valve and wand. This provides precise fluid control during bleeding, ensuring smooth and mess-free operation, even in tight spaces. Experience safe and efficient bleeding with its isolated flow control. This feature ensures optimal pressure delivery, preventing air from entering the system. It comes equipped with a versatile master cylinder adapter kit. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of vehicles, from motorcycles and ATVs to automobiles. What we like. This kit provides powerful, air-operated pressure bleeding for hydraulic systems. If you need a professional-grade tool for extended use without frequent refills, its large reservoir is a major advantage. The included flex hose with a control valve ensures smooth, mess-free operation and precise fluid control. What people say. The Mityvac MV8500 is a great tool for bleeding brakes. It comes with all the necessary adapters and hoses. The vacuum pump is powerful and easy to use. Number 1. Mityvac MV7412 ATF Extractor and Refill Kit. Introducing the Mityvac MV7412, your all-in-one solution for fluid extraction and refilling. This high-performance sealed system is designed for both automatic transmission fluid and other automotive liquids, making it perfect for professionals and DIYers alike. Experience efficient vacuum and pressure operation powered by compressed air. This tool simplifies fluid exchange, allowing for fast, clean, and accurate extraction and refill without any manual pumping. Featuring isolated flow control and integrated pressure vacuum switch valves, it provides precision fluid handling. Enjoy a smooth and efficient operation in any garage or professional workshop. It comes equipped with a durable flex hose featuring a convenient control valve. This allows for precise fluid management, making it suitable for a wide variety of vehicles. Designed for durability and reliability, this kit is built to withstand demanding environments. It's ideal for fluid management in fleet maintenance, commercial vehicles, and agricultural machinery. What we like. This is an all-in-one system for extracting and refilling automatic transmission fluid and other automotive liquids. If you're looking for a fast, clean, and accurate way to manage fluids, especially in fleet maintenance or commercial vehicles, this compressed air-powered tool simplifies the process. Its sealed system and precise control valves ensure efficient operation. What people say. The vacuum pump is very powerful and pulls a strong vacuum. It is well built and feels durable, with high-quality materials. The included accessories are comprehensive and make it versatile for various tasks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.